ready to turn casual open house visitors into qualified leads. I'm going to reveal the secrets to getting every single attendee to sign in at your open house, transforming it into a lead-generating machine in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Ditch the boring clipboard. Create a sign-in form that is visually appealing and easy to use. Think clean lines, large font, and only ask for essential information like name, email, and phone number. Consider offering a small incentive, like a free market report, in exchange for signing in. Step 2. Engage. Station yourself near the sign-in area. Greet every guest with a warm welcome, and start a conversation. Ask them what they are looking for in a home and offer to answer any questions. A friendly, approachable demeanor makes people more willing to provide their information. Step 3. The fortune is in the follow-up. Immediately after the open house, send a personalized email to everyone who signed in. Thank them for attending, reiterate the key selling points of the property, and offer to schedule a private showing. This shows you're proactive and keeps you top of mind. Implement these 3 steps, and you will see a significant increase in the number of leads you generate from your open houses. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.